Welcome back to Learn Teach Center. Today we will learn English with the story, The Painter Who Wouldn't Finish a Painting. If you haven't watched the full story yet, check the pinned comment and watch it first. In this story, Lian is a talented painter who never finishes her work because she wants everything to be perfect. One day, a strong storm splashes paint across her canvas. Instead of erasing it, she continues painting freely and discovers that progress begins when she lets go of perfection. Let's learn some important vocabulary from the story. Admire. Admire. It means respect or look up to someone. The villagers admire Lian's talent. Admire. Delegate. Delegate. It means beautiful, gentle, and finely detailed. Her sketches were delicate. Delegate. Limitless. Limitless. It means having no end or boundary. Her imagination seemed limitless. Limitless. Habit. Habit. It is something you do often. Lian had a habit of not finishing her paintings. Habit. Hesitate. Hesitate. It means to pause because you are unsure. She would hesitate and erase her brushstrokes. Hesitate. Stubborn. Stubborn. It means not willing to change. The empty canvas felt stubborn and silent. Stubborn. Glance. Glance. It means to look quickly. The potter gave the canvas a quick glance. Glance. Burst. Burst. It means to break open suddenly. The wind burst through the window. Burst. Chaos. Chaos. Chaos is a complete disorder. The paint jars created colorful chaos. Chaos. Emotion. Emotion. Emotion is strong feeling. The painting was full of emotion. Emotion. Courage. Courage. Ability to face difficulty. Lian painted with courage instead of fear. Progress. Progress. Progress is improvement or moving forward. Each finished painting showed her progress. Progress. Now, pause the video and review all the words you just learned. When you finish, play the video again, and I'll give you a test. Now, let's check your understanding. Choose the best answer. Great work today. Remember, perfection can stop progress. Keep practicing, and you will improve step by step. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.